Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Hapn GPS app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Hapn GPS is a real-time tracking app designed to help users monitor vehicles, assets, and even loved ones with accuracy and ease. The app offers live GPS tracking, trip history, speed monitoring, customizable geofencing alerts, and multi-device management. It also supports cloud-based storage for detailed reports and location history, making it useful for both personal safety and fleet management. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Hapn GPS for its accurate location tracking, clean interface, and reliable alert system. Features like geofencing and speed monitoring are particularly helpful for parents, business owners, and individuals who need detailed oversight. The ability to track multiple devices at once also makes it convenient for managing fleets or monitoring assets in real time. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users mention occasional delays in updates or notifications, which can affect real-time reliability. Additionally, premium features often require a paid subscription, which may not suit everyone's budget. A few users also feel that setup and initial configuration can take some time to get right. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Hapn GPS app may be worth using if you need dependable real-time tracking for vehicles, assets, or personal safety. It shines in accuracy, useful features, and ease of monitoring multiple devices. However, if you're looking for a completely free solution or can't work around the occasional delays, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.